Hey, how you doing everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Alright, first thing you want to do is remove your lug nuts. They should be 19 millimeter. If your wheel gets a little bit stuck when you get all the lug nuts off, just smack the wheel with your hand or a small hammer on the rubber part and knock it loose. And make sure all the aluminum is cleaned off, the corrosion is cleaned off the aluminum wheel. I was not able to get a wrench on the factory sway bar links, so I had to use vice grips to keep them from spinning when you go to get the original nuts off. I believe this was an 18 millimeter. Through the top and bottom. Once you get your new links into place, it's an 18 millimeter wrench on the inside and an 18 millimeter socket. Run them down tight, and then make sure that you go back over everything and make sure everything is tightened. Don't trust just your impact. It's the same thing at the bottom, 18 millimeter with a ratchet and a socket, an 18 millimeter wrench. The sizes of your sockets and wrenches may differ depending on brand of sway bar link that you buy. Alright, mine came with grease zerks, so make sure you grease them until you see the boot start to swell or a slight amount of grease come out. Please hit that subscribe button down below. As always, thanks for watching Big Frog's 4x4, and God bless.